Good morning, everyone. Wanted to do a quick update for you guys. There's been a lot of activities. I've thrown a couple of new trades out there. We still got our existing trades out there, and I'm looking at another one. So that'll be three for this week. So far, there's been one fill. The other one, FCX, has not filled yet. Stocks are just running right now, even though the major indexes are not doing a whole lot of anything. There is just many individual stocks that are making pretty significant gains. So I want to take a look at the particular stocks that I've thrown out in the group chat. So that way everyone is up to speed on what you should be looking at and how you should be submitting your orders. So let me go ahead and share my screen real quick here. Okay, so we're on Thinkorswim right now, and first one up I have is FCX. We have a pending order on this for what do we have here? We have there we go. Oh, I need to cancel this order. Cancel this order. Well, that's good. So that way I can show the whole thing. I had originally put it at January 29th. I meant that was a error. It's supposed to be February 5th, so everyone should have made that correction now. But let's go ahead and look at the chart real quick. FCX has been just on a bit of a tear, and I like the stock. It's rallied quite a bit. Would have been great to get a fill down here. However, that wouldn't have been too amazing because the only potential there, if we had done that, would have been our max profit premium gain. We always want to try and see if we can squeeze a little bit more out of it when we do these trades, meaning maybe getting assigned, closing individual legs, adding to our profit. So on this one, I'm looking at 29. I'm looking at a 29.28 fill. So that's right around this area right here. So if we go up to here on February 5th, FCX. So let's go ahead and click on a vertical, jump over here to the 29.2850s. We're going to right click on the bid order, hit sell, drop all the way down our box deep and wide, 1 month, 2 strike, vertical again. Okay, and here we go. So 29.28. As I mentioned in the group chat, we are a little bit off from that price. We need the stock price to come down a little bit in order to get that fill. We don't chase trades. Not in this group. We do not chase trades. We need to be disciplined. If the area that we need to get filled is not there yet, then we wait. If it takes too much time to get there, then we cancel the order and we look for something else, or we wait for the stock to adjust itself. And eventually it will. They always do. So we are going to take our limit order here. It's currently, this market price is 32. We're going to bump that up to 40. You never know. Could come there today. Something could happen in the market. Idaho Capitol could be attacked by Trump supporters. I don't know, but we're gonna put this at 40, and if we get filled, great. If we don't, that's fine. We'll probably, if we don't see this come back down by tomorrow-ish, maybe even Friday. I don't like getting filled on Fridays, but it depends. We'll remove the order and we'll go from there. We'll see what happens and look for another opportunity. So you guys should have this pending order February 5th, 29 sell, put 29 strike, sell put, or buy put 28 strike. Okay, and we're going to put this at GTC. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and confirm and send, and everything looks good, and send it. Okay, so there's that one. The other one was Apache, however you want to pronounce it. This one I was looking at the January 29th. Okay, this did get filled this morning, and that was 1750. So that's what I was looking at, 1750 strikes. It's currently at 18, so we should have a really good chance of getting filled again today. Currently, it's a little bit lower than that. So again, here we go. We're on APA, January 29th, 1750. Right there, we're going to right click, sell, deep and wide, 1 month, 2 strike, vertical. It's there right now, so you should get filled. So we're going to put this at just for today because I really think this will get filled today. So confirm and send it. So that should get filled any second here. Okay, so there is the 2 orders that I had posted out the last couple of days. One more order today. I've been looking at this. It was David that brought this up a month or so back. It's a cannabis stock. There's a couple. TLRY. Yeah, that's it. TLRY. This stock is out of control, running out of control. Again, I was looking at this over here and was looking for an area to get filled. This stock would have been a good one too, but again, the only probability on this one now would have been a max profit because the chances of this coming back down to here, back to 11 in between the expiration time, hard to say, probably not good. So would have been a good trade on max profit, but again, you know, those particular setups, we want to try and see if we can do a little better. So I liked this trade. I still like it. We need to get some retracement back. This is on a tear. The other one that was brought up was ACB. This one is running. It's running pretty hard, actually, for the individual stock. On a technical basis, there we go. Our Apache trade just filled. On this particular trade here on ACB, this is another cannabis stock. Cannabis stocks did absolutely nothing for so long. They had that huge rally when it was Pfizer or whatever announced we've got the vaccine and everything exploded, and then they did nothing. They're starting to make moves. They're starting to create more of a support areas. You can see if we zoom out here, we are really making trend lines here. We made a nice little break out of this descent. Oh my goodness gracious. This is why I don't use these charts very often. They're not that super. Okay. Okay, so you can see that we had that huge rally, came right back down, moved up again, was trending down, and it's starting to make more of a trend. I can see this thing still taking its time. So this one could be a good order. I'm going to go ahead and put this in for right now. If you guys are more than welcome to join me on this one. The cannabis stocks are a little tricky. Obviously, Tilray is doing quite well for reasons unknown. I haven't dove deep into that one yet, but this one's steady. It could just be a steady moving stock. We'll see. The cannabis stocks are still a little iffy on whether or not they're going to start performing, because if we zoom way out here, they just have not been very good. They've been underperforming for a long time. I don't see any reason why they should start performing exceptionally well anytime soon, but I do see potential here. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into this one right now. I'm going to give it a little extra time because I think it might need it, but not too much. So I'm looking at the February 5th, and just going back to the chart here, I'm looking at about 10 bucks. So I'm going to go to the trade tab here. I'm going to go to 10 here and all over again. Sell down to deep and wide, 1 month, 2 strike, vertical. Here we go. We got 9 and 10. It's currently at 37. It was at 40. And that's what I'm looking to get in at, 40. So I'm going to put GTC just in case it doesn't get there today. It could get there tomorrow morning. We'll see. So everything looks good to me. We have our sell put strike at 10, buy put strike at 9. February 5th, ACB, everything looks good. Let's hit confirm and send, and we are off to the races. So we'll see if that gets filled today. But other than that, that is what I'm looking at. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to me. I hope this gives you a good demonstration of what we're doing specifically. Again, FCX has not filled yet. We'll see if it does. Apache just filled, so you guys should get filled on that one. And finally, ACB. We'll see what happens with that one. Okay, guys, talk to you soon. Successful trading.